Okay, perfect. So we are back on the charts, and yeah, we're not really seeing much. Get a 5 minute break structure back to the upside. If this is really the move, we're gonna wait for the 5 minute break structure to the downside. But for the most part, it doesn't look like anything's really happening. Of course, we have till 11 to trade. Maybe 12 if we're pushing it, or if we're really close to wherever we gotta go. But we're on a higher time frame right now. Let's just see what's happening. My setup really is down here, but if we get a 5 minute break of structure with a 1 minute break structure to the downside, I wouldn't mind taking a short. But let's see. Nobody's speaking today. Should be consolidation. We're honestly in the month of April where Trump just decides, hey, I want to fart. So things might not go as planned as we want to. Like, bro. Trump, just shut your mouth, okay? Like, yeah, we're having some drop to the downside. I'm going to go back. Nah, Yi is very good. All right, we're about to have a break structure. If we close below that, I'll consider this break structure. I'll close below all this. A short right there would be too risky. I have no high time frame confluences, so just SMTs and bullshit. I think that's our 5 minute break structure. Let's see, ES. Let's look at what the ES looks like on the hourly. A pile of poop. And if we mark out our zones too. low, age low. Yeah, they're all down there. You should really be targeting this. Could drop lower and go for yesterday's low. That's a big one. If I just short, nah. I'm gonna say fuck it. This may be gambling, and this may not work in my favor. I don't think it will actually. So, guys, what did I do wrong here? Simple impatience. That's not good. I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. What is the market? What is day trading anymore? You're telling me we have Asia lows and we're gonna not even go down at all? We're just gonna ignore them. What's better than Asia lows, huh? Here it is. I said I was locked in. Trading like an absolute nutcase, bro. We will go back down. This is nice. I'm just so confused. What could we be going up to? What on God's green earth is up there that we don't already have? We already have all-time highs. Let's take a dump. No. You know what's up there? My account. That's what we need. That's the last thing the NASDAQ needs before it can finally take a dump. It needs my account. I'm so silly. How did I not know? Goodness gracious. And I got 9 vicious in my ear talking about some fucking. What? God, bro. Turn this shit off. Take it, NASDAQ. Take it. I know you need it. I know you need my $100. I know you need it. I know you want it. Take it. Take my account. Like, what? What on God's green earth is up there that the NASDAQ feels it needs so bad? I'm not leaving this trade. I will go down with the boat. I just really need to figure out what is up there. What could be up there that I just don't know about? What could be up there? What is it? I need to know. I need to know now because I'm genuinely confused. What is up there? God forbid. A man just wants to trade. Now, yes, this is my fault. We had a 5-minute breaker structure. We did not have a 1-minute breaker structure. Yes, this is my fault. But, God forbid, a man just wants a payout. Let's see. We're at that standard deviation point where, price would like to reverse. I'm not going to leave my trade just yet. Look at that 1 minute. Looks pretty unenthusiastic. Yep, there you go. There you go. Imagine I didn't have $1,000 drawdown. Oh, there you go. Oh, let's not be fooled. This is what the NASDAQ likes to do. Going down with the stop loss now. No. Okay, all right. Let's act like any of that happened. It didn't. None of that happened. Okay, so now we're going to go double or nothing. Too many. Got to pass this account, man. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. 2-minute in break structure. Nope, I ain't falling for that bullshit. Yep. Nope, I ain't falling for shit. Well, actually, no, I'll fall for this one. Yeah, look at that. Look at all this bullshit. And you're going to tell me I'm going to stay in a 20 micro trade. Be for the real. Look at that wick. Look at that. Now, it's definitely going to drop. You have to drop, but I'm going to wait for the actual setup, not for whatever this 5-minute, 1-minute break of structure propaganda is, because, look. Oh my God, I would have blew my account. I'm good. All I need is $1,200 and then we're straight. Hell, I might get off. please don't send me no propaganda like this. Angelor, please don't send me no propaganda like this. This is it. Propaganda. All my money is going to hair products. I could already tell. It's not to a good use. Well, yeah. When the swag I go berserk, and I touch the sky, got way to fly and lift it off this earth. Money continue to turn. Meet my leader and I don't make shit work. I know my leader's enough, but I was put on my shirt. Oh, bitch ass would said I was even in the air like shit didn't hurt. So say come here. I just did my fucking edges bad, yeah. I got Latina vibes. I got Mexican vibes. And do that. I was fucking when she look at my eyes. As I got chrome heart on my fucking eye. And again, probably a no trading day for me. I got lucky and I left my trade, but I would have blown my account. This is why you stick to one mini and not two. Because, God forbid, you blow the account. Look, even did that? What could have sent us up there? What? Please tell me, please. Inform me what could have put us back up here. Please. And what could have put us down? A Fibonacci. Let's look. I think it's a Fibonacci. Yep, there's a Fibonacci. It's like, what? What? Loki want to end the video now, but we have like an hour left of price action. And you know, I really don't have anything else to do with my days. So, yeah. I would have blown my account. Blown, gone. Literally nothing going on. disciplined traders to look at that and still not take anything, even though this may be the move that drops. Because it also may not, and there's more of a reason for it to be a no trade than it is to be a trade. Just because you saw a 1 minute candle take a dump does not mean that you should take a trade, because then you really realistically could have taken a trade here. Could have taken a trade here. Could have taken a trade here, 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 here. This one may be valid, yeah. Some of them may hit, and some of them may not. But if there's no reason for it to hit on the higher time frame, then there ain't no reason for it to hit on the lower time frame. See, like, if I took a 1 minute break structure after we sweep this, yes, that would be valid. And if I lost, I'd be a happy man because I followed my rules. But if I took a loss here, I'm bound to revenge trade. I'm bound to do bad things because I took a trade that wasn't in my... The reason why you'll get mad after doing something that doesn't go your way is because you weren't supposed to do it. Because if you were supposed to do it, then you'd have think about it like a fight. Think about it like, I guess in my case, I get very guilty sometimes. I get very guilty. I feel bad. But when I do something that was like, when I do something that is, what's the word? When I do something that I know I'm supposed to do, know it wasn't my fault, I never get guilty. I'm like, I'll fight you for it. You feel me? I'll defend myself because it's like, yo, I was supposed to do that. That was not my fault. Somebody either told me to do it or yada da, this, that. Like, you feel me? Like, and you see, that's a perfect example. If I lost there, I would have been like, damn, I shouldn't have taken that short. Why would I have taken that short? There's nothing up here besides a stupid liquidity sweep, okay? Like, there's nothing. I'm not taking no liquidity sweep trades. We're at all-time high. I'm about to get off. I think I'm about to close the computer. Yeah, I'm done. We're at all-time highs. I'm off. Gee shucks. I mean, unless I see some type of like rejection off of these highs, there really shouldn't be any rejection. I mean, we're at all-time highs. Once we're at all-time highs, we just keep going up. And not only that, let's look on the 5 minute. It's 15 minute. So that's why it's so locked in for discipline and emotional control, because the truth is, like, you will never, ever, ever be a sad man if you take one. I'm going to fund it. I'm always going to go 1 mini, so I can't be mad if the account gets blown if I lose. You feel me? I took that risk. I'm always going to take that risk. But that's just how I is with prop firms. I'm never going to go 5 micros, yada, yada, unless I'm on a live account. But if you're not following your strategy, following your rules, then when you lose, you're gonna be mad. Like, if you don't go break even after that 5 minute gap gets hit, you're gonna be mad. If you don't go break even after 1-to-1, you're gonna be mad. If you don't take that liquidity sweep fair value gap and instead you just take a 5 minute fair value gap trade, you're gonna be mad because you didn't follow your rules. Or no, if you take that liquidity sweep fair value gap trade, if you take that, you are gonna be a happy man. And if you lose that, gee shucks, you're still gonna be happy because you followed your rules. You showed that you're growing. Yeah, no, I'm turning off the computer. No setups. It's just Trump doing his Trumpy things. Yep, I'm off the charts. Everybody, this is fun. Goodbye.